To get Temu coupons as an existing customer, legit ways. Welcome to How to Mastery. Today I'll show you practical and legal ways to get Temu coupons even if you're already an existing customer. Let's jump in. First, open the Temu app and check the rewards events section every day. Temu runs daily check-ins, mini-games, scratch cards, and spin wheels that award coins, coupons, and limited promo credits. Regular play adds up. Next, visit the coupons and deals pages. Filter for store coupons, seller vouchers, and site-wide promos. Sellers often post first ex-customers or returning buyer coupons on product pages. Grab them when you see them. Enable push notifications and email alerts. Many coupons drop via app banners or push messages for returning users, flash sales, or restock events. Notifications help you catch them fast. Use the wallet vouchers area in the app. Temu sometimes issues targeted coupons like welcome back, cart recovery, or browser-to-app coupons that appear in your wallet automatically. Check it before checkout. Keep an eye on flash sales and limited-time events. During big sales, Temu often hands out extra coupons or site credits to existing customers who participate or add items to cart. Stack payment promos. Some banks or payment partners run periodic cashback or discount promos that combine with Temu coupons at checkout. These can make an order much cheaper. Use wishlist and cart tactics. Add items to your wishlist or cart and wait. Temu sometimes sends discount codes or reminders to encourage purchase. Also check product pages for seller coupons you can clip. Follow Temu on social media and join official groups. Temu posts special promo codes, giveaways, and event announcements on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook that are available to existing users. Check the Help support chat politely. If you're a returning customer with a failed order or issue, support may offer a courtesy coupon. Always ask nicely and explain the problem. Look for region or account-specific offers. Temu tests local promos. Switching language/region or checking at different times can surface new coupons in your wallet. Do this only inside app settings and abide by terms. Avoid risky shortcuts. Don't buy coupon codes from strangers, share OTPs, or use shady converters. Those are scams and can get your account banned. That's it. The real safe ways to get Temu coupons as an existing customer. Try these regularly and you'll start seeing more offers.